All right, guys, today we want to show you what pontoons are moving towards in the future. So what Sylvan did was come out in 2026 with this, and it is on all their models in 2027. But in 2026, they added fiberglass panels to their L series, which is behind us. So behind me is a 2026 L3 ULZ, and it has a 250 show made by Yamaha. But this look is what you guys are going to see on the waterways from 2027 on with Sylvan, and they look awesome. So what you're seeing is a graphite color, but this is not your traditional aluminum railskin. This is a fiberglass panel. So it makes your boat look a lot nicer, easier for us to fix in the shop, and actually maintenance will be a lot easier for you as the consumer too. But what you're looking at is a awesome looking boat. This is what you're going to see in the future. It does have the black painted pontoons. Unlike the Vantage Guard, Sylvan will paint the tunes if you like it to color match your boat. You can pick any color you like. And then if you guys come back here, it is on a triaxle trailer. Venture, our 24 and 25 footers, we want to keep you safe on the road, so we always give you the triaxles on those boats. But then back here, my favorite engine of all time, the Yamaha Show 250. It sounds amazing, has a lot of pickup and a lot of power for being a 250. And then obviously the color scheme's a little bit different, looks awesome. But my favorite thing ever since selling boats is that engine. You guys can see in the back, what a lot of people will buy a Sylvan for is how their rail keeper is displayed. So you guys see some of our Barletta videos. They have a stanchion chain kit. Not everybody likes that. A lot of people like the way Sylvan does it. They do a whole cage in the back, so there's no chains to worry about. Your dogs are a little bit safer. And then on this boat, they do 2 gates on the back. So we'll get up in the boat, show you guys how that works. All right, so up in the bow of this L3 ULZ, you guys will see Sylvan does a great job with the height of their furniture. So their furniture is probably one of the tallest in the industry. And you guys will see when I sit down, my whole back is covered by that pad, so it makes for a comfortable ride. They also, how they cut the pads, you see this little indent here, makes it for a little bit more comfort. They do a great job with their stitching. They do like a little honeycomb pattern this year. What you guys are looking at is cognac with a gray accent. And then everything on Sylvan, guys, is on hinges. So if you're cleaning your boat, there is none of this, hey buddy, can you hold my pad? Just let it sit here, wipe out, and then you're good to go. Really easy to stow too. You guys will see in the bow, there is a table on this boat. And then what I like in 2026 is they swap the front gates out to make them see-through. Helps with docking, calms your animals down at slow speed so they're not jumping up on the seat, they'll just look out of the gate. And then you guys can see it is branded on the back side, so it looks really, really nice. And it's heavy duty, this is a heavy door, so that whole door's getting twisted on the old style boats, you'll never have that with this. This is a platinum, so there's a couple things on the platinum that you get. Obviously, the fiberglass rails is one. You'll get some nicer C-deck padding on the floor. This does have a ski locker. It does have a full cover. There's your poles. And then with the ULZ, like a lot of our boats, they're dual captain seats. So you got 2 captain seats here, and the biggest thing with Sylvan is they're big captain seats. So you can see how tall they are. They give you a nice headrest, and then they also do a really nice job branding the boat on the headrest. But moving to the dash is great. It is an elevated helm, so it's going to get the driver up about 2 inches to see over his front passengers. This boat is incorporated with a wet sound stereo system, my favorite on all boats. And then it also has the nice Simrad. So the Simrad is going to be obviously a fish finder. What I like the Simrad does, they do a great job in their navigations. And then you have a full instrument panel with navigation lights, bilge, dock lights, interior lights, and you got some tacks. But a great feature, it's laid out great. What I also like about Sylvan's is they give you the storage door in your helm. So in your helm, you have a storage door, you got a lot of storage in there, a couple of manuals laying on the floor. And then this flooring is a new type of flooring. It's like a digital etched flooring, makes the boat pop. Really easy to clean. You're just going to use a soft bristle brush and a hose. You can use soap if you like, but you don't really have to. But then moving back to the back, again, guys, it's a layout that everybody likes the most. So again, you're gonna be able to lay aft. This boat, you just grab the grab handle, unlock it, it's gonna lay flat for this year. That's the first year in 2026, the L series laid flat. In 2027, guys, every model across the board for Civil and the Lounger will lay flat. Now again, this has pads to let you lounge into the boat. If we unlock it, how everybody tubes on this boat, you know, everybody's usually tubing in this position because you're looking at your riders out the back. And again, when you're eating lunch under the canopy, this is an automatic bimini, so just a flick of a button is gonna open that up. But you have conversation pieces here, you got people hanging out in the bow, and then come into the back where 90% of us hang out. What I really like about this boat is the gates on either side. So this is a 4-gate pontoon. They don't make a lot of those anymore, so easy fueling, docking, hanging out. You have the 4 access points to get it on and off the boat safely. What is nice about this particular boat, the L3, the ULZ, it comes with fender clips. So Smokercraft does a nice job. You can see how they're set up. You're just gonna loop your fender through that eyelet. And then once they're preset, guys, this is how easy they use them. You don't have to set them a couple times. And if you see, it's branded a nice way with Smokercraft up on top. But that's all it is. Really easy to use. My favorite feature when you're docking at the bars. And then back here, you obviously have USB. You have USB ports up in the bow too. And then this section, some people when they're looking at the boat is like, what is that? Well, it's a nice bench to sit here while you're enjoying conversations. And then this is where I put all my fenders. All my fenders go down in there. It's really nice. If you do have like a skimboard or something the guys are riding, it might fit in there. But this is available, guys. You have plenty of summer left. It's mid-July here at Colton RV and Marine. We'll catch you out at the coves. Hopefully it'll be on this. Thanks.